Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me for a virtual open house. This is how we have to do our open houses now, so bear with me. But I am prepared. The house is sanitized, very clean. We have hand sanitizer for people. I'm wearing a mask. Anyways, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 den, 1 car garage condo. It's called a carriage home. Beautiful kitchen, as you can see, as soon as you walk through the front door. Eat-in kitchen area there. New plantation shutters, new interior paint, very neutral. The sellers also put ceiling fans in each room. Gorgeous lake view. This is one of the largest lakes in Toscana Isles, and it is really calm out there. Nice big place as your living room. Big lanai screened in. Very quiet, very calm. This condo has no stairs, which I love. And you're allowed to have 2 pets here, which I love. It has a dog park. So we're going into the master bedroom. Large room with carpet. And this is the master bathroom. 2 sinks, stand-up shower, very nice closet. Let's see, this neighborhood also has pickleball, heated pool, tennis courts, fitness center. It's really close to the dog beach in Venice. That is your den or office with tile floors and a ceiling fan with a light. This is your laundry closet. Basically kind of brand new. Nobody really lived here that long. This is your 2nd bathroom. Here's another view of the kitchen. It's got espresso wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, really nice granite. Plenty of space. Nice big linen closet, or you can make it a pantry, whatever you need. 2nd bedroom is carpeted, plantation shutters, ceiling fan with a light, and a closet. And now we're going to take a peek at the 1 car garage. And the sellers also put in that overhead storage, which is awesome. So there you go. That's your garage. This condo is 1,400 square feet. It went on the market April 7th. This video will be listed under open houses for as long as they let me list it. If you want to schedule a private showing with your own realtor or me, just call. That's great. We will get you in here and get you in here safely as we can, and self-distancing and germicidal wipes, anything you need. So thank you for joining me today.